Nyamira asumo gavana we county umeshimiwa Amos Nyaribo ayenekiringo ikaraboniga chinga kichigo chwekomotinyo gatano ali mu mwaka 2025 anige industrial park ayansemeyo yue kwa gacho chinsemo cha Sironga nigera chikuigoro benne nabo gobne nchiremo yokurwa mabaga go cyasi bali bonsi bagachiko korega asas chinsemecho kweli kena konyora mabaga yokoroisia nabo kuligo mogati obokera litsko chinga kiwigo muri kito polka pokara ikirana na gutwaliga ndele roboti rokobwati
wikira June mwaka wote na watu wakora magacha pero tuanze ne support ye UNIDO is a United Nations wing within development ya industry atakonya wakora feasibility study yani oringo wewe ndotoko rema atakonya koroji master plan industrial park yere hemmed to attract investments. Bantu baje barishikambone hawa toro ichigasia abana baito tokonyo umurimi konye bintu byayazirigo ririchieto yona kiegende kiekanana na otoroji bigo bacha korishamani tonyare kwengeje karoto akore kwa gacha inki gochi aburende twebanga tebabna tokora kwa gacha nyantwe bangiti.
And UNIDO has 3 focal areas which I think match perfectly with the plans here in Kenya. The first one is to support a modern agri-business with new cases, with processing to reduce food losses, to get agri-business really a good running business. The second is fostering renewable energies, and I was very glad to hear that on the sidelines of the agro-industry park there's also planned to have renewable energy power generation, which we are now looking into how we can support it. So we will continue after this interesting talk to see the agro-industry park as it is. And the last one I think is the most important, is how to create fair supply chains, fair global supply chains, so that the products that are produced here in the county can perhaps be integrated in global supply chains that lead to Germany, to German supermarkets or to German other companies, and try to establish here good trade relationships and perhaps getting investors to invest here because they think this is interesting products. I learned a lot. You have a good tea, good bananas, good avocado. Avocado oil is very much demanded in Germany. So perhaps these are the ideas now we want to see. What could be the best match for us to get businesses together?